now. I would even give her Miss Congeniality with the crown.
You what?
I would have to pick Eureka. She's fucking fierce.
Monique? I see everybody black in Aquarius.
I look like Patricia McDonald. Take off my makeup with me. I have an appointment at the animal shelter and I have to be there in literally 5. If I go like this, do you think they would let me take home a cat? They probably would think that I was going to force the cat to have an excruciating life in the circus and train him to jump through hoops and stuff with little to no compensation. Or they would just call the cops and then put up a most wanted sign in front of the shelter. Regardless, I'm not really trying to find out. So today I decided to cosplay as your ex and no, that was not your sign to text him. Aren't these contacts sick? They're like clocks. Really small clocks. Speaking of clocks, do you know what time it is? It's time for you to stop scrolling on TikTok and get out of bed and maybe, I don't know, clean your room, do the dishes, do that homework you've been putting off. I'm just trying to keep you thriving, queen. So you won't end up like this. Bye, I'm going to the shelter. Comment if you think I should get a cat.
There was next to no physical evidence to help us try and link the potential suspect.
The exhumation was no more disappointing than chasing down.
One thing we know for sure, we are far from finished with this location. In this haunted house in upstate South Carolina, the shadows of history passing in the halls, unseen hands reach out to welcome you.
And he listens. And that's all I ever wanted. Just someone to listen. Someone to hear me.
Judge Berman gave me back something that Michelle Visage today.
Oh, well, you know you're supposed to be portraying a woman.
Oh yes, I know. This is going to be a little difficult for me, but...
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. I feel like a Ninja Turtle now. But the eyebrows gotta go too. Nice. Alright, I showered. I'm slightly stained green, but I am clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. What other time can it be? I've had this on for way too long and all the blood has dried by now. But that will not stop me. I'm so sleep deprived, I have no idea what I'm saying anymore. My head is way too big for this head. What hat? Not head. I really want to start with a nose for some reason. That came off quick. The teeths. I don't know why I made that noise. Other one. Let's just do the whole smile. Ow. Pain is not real. I personally am tired of feeling pain, so I just decided to not feel it anymore. I really didn't even try on the ears here. I tried to untangle this, but now it's just stuck. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. This look here was inspired by My Little Pony, and this is if Twilight Sparkles was, well, scary. I'm gonna start by taking off the wig, because it's kind of sticking to everything now. Now let's do this cute little ear. I think I got some of my baby hairs, guys. Now let's take off this monstrosity, and it's all very sticky. I love using clay, but oh my god, it does not feel good. One single lash, And how can I leave you without the nightmare fuel? I don't even know why I do scary makeup anymore. Like, I can just smear paint on my face and put contacts in and I already look terrifying. I'm just gonna go shower. I'm back from the shower and I'm all clean now. I thought the paint was gonna stain my skin, but it really didn't. And you guys have an amazing day.
Get unready with me, Ice Queen edition. Let me take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. It's a gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair.
Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh god, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing, as a whole piece. So have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that. It belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone. Oh, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I honestly had a lot of fun with this look, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off. This tongue is way too heavy, so I'm gonna take it off first. Oh. Wait, watch this, watch this. I can't even properly smile with the latex on my face. So let's take it off. Okay, ready? Didn't feel that. And of course, how can I leave you without any nightmare fuel? Okay, but can we get a nice satisfying stripe here? I think yes. Okay, one more, then I'm gonna shower. I took a shower and my nose is slightly stained, but other than that, I am all clean now. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. This is Taurus, and she got her horns ripped off. Snatch the weave. As much as I like this, it needs to go. This baby one too. And now for the latex. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. I'm really bad at this. I swear, every time I wear a black wig, it makes me want to dye my hair black. Ooh, almost forgot the falsies. Boop. These contacts make me look so evil, but I need to take them out. And just like that, I'm back to my normal self. Have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you know it. It is time to take this off again. I am not mad at how this turned out, but it's gotta go. I'm gonna take this off of my ear. Only smart decisions here. I already know the neck is gonna hurt, so I'm gonna do that first. All right, 3, 2, 1. I'm screaming on the inside. No pain, no feel. No, that's my neck. Beautiful. I don't need a crown for people to know I'm a queen, but that hurts. Ow. Maybe I don't need to take the crown off. You know what? No, we're doing it. We're doing it. Okay, just kidding. That wasn't too bad. That is because all of the latex is still on my forehead. There you go. Now that's in my hair, but we don't need hair anyways. Okay, the hardest part's done. Now this. As scary as I may look right now, I like this shade of green. It's kind of cute. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know that it is time. It's time to take this off again. I attempted to put my hair out of my face, but I can't see, so I hope I don't look crazy. Of course I look crazy. Never mind. Let's just take this off. Oh yes. Is my eyebrow still there? I can't see. I hope it's still there. Time for this eye. Ding ding ding. Now I just gotta take the rest of this off. Now that I think about it, I probably should have taken my contacts out first. And once again, the removal process is scarier than the original look. Oh god. Okay, I forgot to film that last part, but it's like 3 days later now and my face is clean. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the third part to my Zodiac series, and this is Aquarius. I was going for a bit of that drowned mermaid look with all the barnacles on my face. Hope you like it. But I can't stay on my face for that long, so we gotta take it off. Bye-bye, barnacle boy. Ooh. Damn, my skin is red. Ooh. Who's this? Not me. Ooh. Bye-bye. Like that. The saddest part is always taking the lashes off, though. No more contacts. Gotta clean my face. My eyes are stained blue. Oh well, let's take the hair out. Wow, my hair is not purple anymore. Just kidding, it's purple. And that's it. And as always, I will post the tutorial and all the products I used on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. This is gonna hurt me. Ah! Ow! Hopefully this one's easier. This one had the most adhesive on it. Oh my god. Oh my god. My skin is literally burning.
Hey, that was incredible. Thank you. I was so freaked out, but
One thing we know for sure, we are far from finished with this location. In this haunted house in upstate South Carolina, the shadows of history passing in the halls. Unseen hands reach out to welcome you.
and he listened. And that's all I ever wanted. Just someone to listen. Someone to hear me.
Judge Berman pays me back something that
Bring key. Put it down. Left, right, left, right, left. Awesome. Cool. Next up.
No, I would even give her Miss Congeniality with the time.
Fuqua.
I would have to pick Eureka. She's fucking fierce.
Monique, I see everybody black in Aquarius.
Ha. Take off my makeup with me, scary robot edition. All right, let's take this contact out. Oh, well, this should be fun. Ah, I need 2 hands for this one. My eye's literally crying. I'm gonna take some makeup melt. Please don't get in my eye. Please don't get in my eye. I'm gonna go shower and get the glue out of my eyebrows. Take off my makeup with me. Grr. Let me get these contacts out. I can see. This is gonna hurt. I have never gotten that off in one try before. Like I'm actually shocked. Now I'm gonna spray some makeup melt and rub that in. This is definitely gonna stain my face. Now I'm taking my makeup towel and wiping that off. I'm only slightly stained pink. Thanks for watching.
I want to help you guys out a little bit and share a little something with you guys.